Hello and welcome to a moment of quiet where we connect with nature and look for guidance on how to connect with nature spiritually for our personal and our community's peace, growth, and harmony. Take a deep breath and relax. Today we have an unusual still day. Finally, it's not a day where the strong wind of the north just keeps blowing, and so I'm very happy to be able to be outside. And as we do this reading, the intention is that this message will come to you whenever you may benefit from it. Now we ask the Creator of all things, Goddess, Mother Earth, Spirit of this place, to be with us. Please share with us your love and blessing, your wisdom and guidance. Today's just one day, but the day is what we have to build on our dreams. How can we connect with nature spiritually today? Valley. Cellar. Gold. In order to begin on our journey, we would do our preparations first. And the reward is often an interaction, as reciprocation. We talk about going in nature sometimes to relax, to heal, and we are reaping benefits from nature. And while we feel thankful for it, we must not forget that we're not only taking, there is plenty that we can do for the earth to keep it thriving. When we think of ourselves as the only entity taking the action, then nature feels like just the environment, just the lifeless environment that we take our actions on and impose our will on. But if we do see it as its own living being, whether it's something big such as a landscape or a region or an ecology, or it's individual plants or one animal, then we see more of our interaction one-on-one. Like the card here with the dragon and the rabbit, their dragon's the one who owns a lot of treasure, and the little bunny here is bestow the gift of its treasures. And whatever that story may be, however they got to this part, it's an interaction, a heartfelt interaction. This also reminds me of when I first came to the United States and my parents stuffed my bag with little souvenirs like local crafts, little bags, little heme bags, and little gifts that I could give or trade with classmates, with new classmates from potentially all over the world when I'm in a new country. And this is how I'm seeing actually in the Cellar card. It's talking about preparing, it's talking about planning ahead, but I also see that's how we take the bounty of our environment, and with our own processes, with our own ideas and our our skills, we turn it into things that can be used for later, for journey on the road, for showing our goodwill, or feeding each other. I think is one of the greatest way to bond and to start bonding. And when we're doing that, we are circulating the gifts in this world. I think everything that we receive and give, everything that we have input and output, those are energy exchanges. Those are the flow of energy. And we can put in our goodwill for health, for love into those exchanges. And even when sometimes the other side of the exchange feels like someone or something that cannot respond, for example, the river or a piece of rock, we can't show its life, we can't show gratitude, show our love, because that in turn nurtures the capacity within us to support that flow. And if you believe, the environment holds on to that and may share it with those that come after and have it be part of that cycle. I think there is a big contrast of what wealth and abundance is in these two cards, whereas this is a very material and familiar concept of gold and money and wealth and a mass quantity. And here it's almost like a big void of emptiness, and you don't have so much with you. This is, you're holding on to so much, and this is where you have so little, but you have something so expansive, and everything under the sky seems possible, and there's so much possibility to experience. And the dragon is often depicted as in a cave, but those are different sides of bounty. And if we know how to circulate between those, then we are always on a path to feeling adequate and feeling abundant. And so this is what I'm getting from the cards today, and I feel there is a lot of lesson for me as well, a very grand, a very big scale of balance and continuing of input and output where I'm feeling a little stagnant myself. So I hope this reading outdoors today will give you some support, and I encourage you to live your life with harmony